And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken, when alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So like, I know, like, some people have just been like, the first time they could go and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in touch. So, yeah.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
Climate change poses significant challenges to agricultural practices worldwide, affecting crop yields, water availability, and soil fertility. Shifts in temperature patterns, increased frequency of extreme weather events, and changes in precipitation patterns threaten food security and livelihoods. Adapting agricultural practices to mitigate the impact of climate change involves implementing sustainable farming techniques, water management strategies, and crop diversification.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken, when alcohol, it could be that you take your, like,
Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics by analyzing medical data, interpreting diagnostic images, and identifying patterns and anomalies in patient health records. AI-powered diagnostic tools offer faster and more accurate diagnoses, leading to improved patient outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. Leveraging artificial intelligence in healthcare diagnostics requires addressing regulatory challenges, data privacy concerns, and ensuring clinical validation and integration into existing healthcare workflows.
They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. When you have a drunken, when alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, so like, I know, like, some people have just been like, the first time they could go and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in touch. So, yeah.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
Genetic engineering in agriculture involves modifying crop plants for traits such as pest resistance, drought tolerance, and nutritional content. Ethical considerations in genetic engineering include concerns about environmental impacts, biodiversity loss, and potential health risks associated with genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Addressing the ethics of genetic engineering in agriculture requires balancing the potential benefits of GMOs with environmental sustainability, consumer safety, and ethical considerations.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, there are like many cases where people have family members that they actually don't drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know, alcohol. So when you have a drunken on alcohol, it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like they're going and they're just drunk around their town. Nobody's down talking.
Smart cities leverage digital technologies and data-driven solutions to enhance urban infrastructure, transportation systems, and public services. Integrated smart city initiatives aim to improve efficiency, sustainability, and quality of life for urban residents. Exploring the future of smart cities and urban planning involves leveraging emerging technologies such as Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics to create connected, resilient, and sustainable urban environments.
And then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know, alcohol. So when you have a drunken on alcohol, it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like they're going and they're just drunk around their town. Nobody's down talking. So yeah.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, there are like many cases where.
In a digitally connected world, cybersecurity threats such as data breaches, ransomware attacks, and phishing scams pose significant challenges to organizations and individuals. Cybersecurity measures, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and cybersecurity awareness training, are essential for protecting sensitive information and safeguarding digital assets. Addressing the challenges of maintaining cybersecurity requires collaboration between government agencies, private sector organizations, and cybersecurity professionals to develop proactive strategies and response mechanisms.
I'm not sold. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, there are like many cases where people have family members that they actually don't drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know, alcohol. So when you have a drunken on alcohol, it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like they're going and they're just drunk around their town. Nobody's down talking. So yeah.
It's like
Early childhood education plays a crucial role in cognitive development by providing young children with stimulating learning experiences, social interactions, and emotional support. High-quality early childhood education programs promote language development, critical thinking skills, and social-emotional competence, laying the foundation for lifelong learning and academic success. Recognizing the importance of early childhood education involves investing in accessible, affordable, and inclusive early learning opportunities for all children.